In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and export your form responses. So let's navigate over to our forms by clicking on Forms over here on the left-hand side. And I'm going to click into the form that we've been working with. And to view my form responses, all I'm going to do is click on Responses here on the top right-hand side. And you'll see here that I've got two different responses. I did go and submit Jack's response directly through the form just before this video to show you a few differences between how their information is gathered when the form is filled in either directly through the link or through something like a funnel. So you'll also see that I have this notification here telling me that, hey, Jack has submitted the form. So I'm just going to mark that as red. I don't like notifications, so I'm just going to get rid of that. Otherwise it's going to irritate me. All right, so you'll see that we've got these two responses. And if I click into Betty's, we know that Betty filled in her response through a funnel. So her email actually hasn't been captured there. The reason for this is that the form itself didn't capture her email because the funnel captured her email instead. So if I come to Betty's contact details, you'll see that her email has been captured. It was captured through the funnel, just not through the form. So you don't have to stress if you don't see their emails being captured here within the form. But if I come here to Jack's response, and he did submit his response directly through the form link, he has had his email captured here within the form response instead of through anything else. So that is one difference that you can see there. Jack also answered that his preferred contact method was a phone, so he has a phone number, whereas Betty answered that her preferred contact method is Zoom, so she doesn't have either of those answers either. Now, if you want to export individual responses, you can do that. All you have to do is export the response you are wanting to export. So you would click in, like we have here with Betty, and you would come here to the top right-hand side, and you would say export response. That's then going to download a CSV file of this particular response. You can also export all of the responses for this particular form. Again, you would click here on export responses, and that is then going to download a CSV file of the entire forms. So that is how you can view the responses that have been submitted via your form, and a few differences in your form submission answers depending on how that form has been shared. So now you know absolutely everything there is to know about the forms functionality in the system. Congratulations on completing this training, and we hope that you find this feature incredibly easy to use and beneficial for your business.